Hi everybody, today's recipe is simple stir-fry pork belly with lemongrass. For the list of the ingredients, please check the box down below. Start by cutting the lemongrass into small pieces, then add it to the mortar to be crushed along with half of the onions, also cut into small pieces. But finely cut the other half of the onions and set it aside. Also cut the garlic and the chili. Crush well the ingredients until it looks like this. Finely cut the pork. As you can see, I have removed the skin from the meat because of the fat. But for some of them, I left the skin on. Now wash the meat with lukewarm water and drain. Heat up the oil and add the onions. Give it a quick stir, then add the crushed ingredients. Keep stirring until it is fragrant. You can now add the sugar, then the coriander powder. Stir until it is nearly brown, then add the pork. Mix well to combine all together. Add black pepper, salt, then the fish sauce. Stir well, then cover and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes on low fire. If it is dry, add a little bit of water. Otherwise, give it a quick mix, then add the fresh basils, the chopped spring onion, and half of the chopped coriander. Give it a quick stir and it's done. Add some more black pepper to your stir fry and the rest of the chopped coriander. Enjoy your pork lemongrass with hot jasmine rice. Bon appétit! If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.